Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing this First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. It's battery powered. This thing focuses. Early warning, less nuisance. Precision detector. Advanced sensing technology. Early warning interconnect. When one alarm sounds, all compatible alarms will sound. So yeah. "10-year limited warranty." Here's the front of the box. Here is the back of the box. Voice and location alerts. AA batteries included. And early warning interconnect, so it's actually wireless interconnected. Easy installation. Advanced sensing technology. Here's some information right here. Pause if you want to read this. Here's the diagram right here. So what we're waiting for, let's go ahead and unbox it. Hang on. Okay, so got it open. Here is the manual, or user's manual. Here's the two batteries. They are Duracells, and yes, they are included, as mentioned. Silica gel, we don't need that. And then, hang on. Okay. Let's get it out. And here it is. Is this thing focused? Okay, so let's see what it says. Smoke and CO alarm, power, smoke, CO. Move to fresh air. Here's the back. Here's the back of it. See what it says. 20 something. I'm going to take out the brackets so we can see it good. Hang on. There we go. It was made in 2023 December 19. So this thing is 2 years old. So let me go and put it back in its bracket. Okay. So right here is the battery drawer. Right here. It's just a battery drawer. However, when you put the batteries in and close it, this thing will automatically turn on. So there's no switches or anything to turn on. It's just, it turns on when the battery drawer is closed. So yeah. So yeah, so here it is. And this is the unboxing of the First Alert smoke and CO alarm. And yeah, let me go ahead and, I know it's kind of blurry when I zoom, when I zoom in. Don't know why, but yeah. So let me check the model number. Is that a model number? Hang on. Okay, so here's the model number. It is SMCO500V. So yeah. So that's the model number. And yeah. So yeah. And this is the unboxing of the First Alert smoke and CO alarm. And that's it.